that's something that can be done. There's no guarantee, but what we need to do is do two things. It's a two-step process. We need to request an early termination of probation, and then we need to request the expungement under Penal Code 1203.4. Penal Code Section 1203.3 is where we request the early termination of probation. Some counties are tougher than others to do that in. For instance, in Marin County, if you're trying to get that accomplished, if we go to the judge or the court and the DA, and after a year of a 3-year probation say, hey, we need to do this, we better have a very good reason. Typically, after 2 years, it's easier to do, or 18 months is still tough, but we need a compelling reason. Typically, and of course, you would have to have complied with all the conditions of your probation, but it needs to be for a compelling reason. For job purposes, you need to demonstrate that you've been unable to find a job in your field because of this, that you've been rejected a number of times and can't find work. Immigration purposes, that's something that is an area where the DA's office in Marin County or most other counties in the San Francisco Bay Area are willing to listen, and the courts are, of course, as well, because it's the court that grants the motion in the end. But having a compelling reason is very important, and without one, it's almost impossible to get a lot of the courts to do an early termination of probation followed by an expungement. In those situations, you just wait till the 3 years is up and apply for your expungement.